milk, full fat, not light, creamy peanut butter, unsweetened cocoa powder, agave, and salt. Okay, so in your bowl, go ahead and put 1 can of coconut milk, a half cup of creamy peanut butter, and mine is actually salted. Whisk that all together. Really helps to do this first with those 2 ingredients to break up the coconut cream. Add 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of agave, two pinches or shakes of salt, and whisk it all together. So you're going to mix it until you get kind of like a chocolate pancake batter. Right, and you're ready to fill your molds. So I use these silicone molds because I think they're the easiest to pop the bars out after. So I put about half of the batter in there, and then I will stick in those popsicle sticks, and then I'd put the batter on top. And that way it's really equally dispersed. And this specific recipe yields about 8 of these ice cream bars, so 2 sets of the silicone molds. Right, pop them in the freezer for at least 2 hours. Always check them by poking them. That's it, right? Just pop them out and enjoy. Thank you for watching Freeing Foods, and please subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one. Thank you!